Especially where it get tight. My dumb ass posted the same video.
I'll see bloody when you get out, bro. I had you though, bro. You think I'm a weak nigga? My crib big as shit. My ceiling giving high knees. We got ray guns in this box.
Cut it up. Alright, back. Yeah, and cut the lights off too. Cut the lights off to the front.
My boy, wrist gangster. You turn for popping out. You live there? You live there?
Yeah, I live right here.
That's tough. You said what? 2 months old, what? Kid stuff? What about it? What is it?
Do we have any?
Kid stuff. You don't need.
Oh, I don't even know the sizes.
You in the truck.
Yeah, I don't know the sizes.
That's Zombie King. We gotta ask him. We gotta ask the Lord. Everybody back up to the wall. Back up to the wall.
Hey, Reggie.
Somebody get everybody.
KD. He come out nice and jilly.
You get my nerve.
What y'all about to do?
He's in.
What you say?
What?
Which one of y'all popped
Shake him down.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. You take fire.
That shit fire?
Fire.
No that. That's ball. Appreciate you, bloody.
Some of them bitches right
That cold is in my head. I just pop an ass.
He don't put a body. It's me, I do. He talking about nah.
Next music video I'm dropping, which one you think I should drop from the tape?
Miami.